Hey, what's up guys, Donnie here, and I just wanted to try something. It's kind of funny because I was watching a video with True Drone Reviews. Bryan is talking about the GPS module being bad, as part of his theory, and as I was watching that, I was already taking this thing apart. I wanted to look inside since I already had a broken arm. So it's actually only 4 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop those 4 Phillips screws out. Make sure you have the battery out, of course. Then this cover just pops right off. And if you look at it, guys, here is the GPS module right here. It's just sitting right on top. You can actually just pop this off like so. It's not even glued in or anything, guys. That just pops off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this glue off, slip this GPS out, and see if this thing will still fly. And I'm going to do a test on that. So hopefully maybe that will work, because I really don't need GPS either. You're not going to fly this long range or anything where you're going to need it. It's supposed to just be a selfie drone. And I know we shouldn't have to take this out. It should be doing its job anyways, but I just thought I'd go and test that out. Alright, before I go, I just want to show you I popped the ribbon out. It just slides right out of here. Just peeled some of the glue off. Took the GPS module off. I'm just not for sure if this is going to interfere with it being able to fly or if it's going to go haywire, but hey, that's what we do. When we can't get them to fly, we mess with them, mod them, take them apart. A lot of us do. So I'm going to try this out, slap this back together, and see if it'll fly, guys. So hang in there. I have the GPS module out, which I believe this is also the Wi-Fi board, because when you go to try to hook up onto the app, it doesn't show anything, so it's not putting out any Wi-Fi. So obviously this is a Wi-Fi board plus the GPS. So I just want to show you this when you go to turn it on. When you turn this on, it'll fire up normal. Alright, it's on, but when you go to link the controller, it says that it's linked by looking at the light here, but when you press the button to automatic start, no startup, guys. So even if you go and hold this down like we normally do, if you guys watched my last video, not a thing. So there's the theory of the GPS board. If you go to pull it out, this thing won't run at all. You can't even connect it to the controller, nothing, because like I said, this is the GPS plus it's got to be the Wi-Fi. This must be the Wi-Fi module in here. So without a complete circuit with this thing won't run at all. So I tried, thought I'd give it a shot, but obviously that's not it. So, and I wouldn't know how to bypass the GPS on here. So one more thing too I wanted to show you guys is that, look, it won't shut off now when you hold the button down. It won't shut the quad off either. So even if you shut the controller off, you can't shut the drone off without that board. So it's making a complete circuit. So you have to disconnect the battery to be able to shut it down. So anyways, guys, hey, at least I tried. I just wanted to show you what it's like to take this module out and the GPS. Obviously, you need that to make a complete circuit for this thing to fire up, to fly. If someone wants to go and tinker around and try to pull the GPS off of here and still make it a complete circuit and make it just optical flow, be my guest, but I'm not going to go that far. I just wanted to show you this theory, and it doesn't work. And at least we give it a try, so at least so you don't have to take it apart and give it a shot. So alright guys, hey, thanks for watching. Like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.